Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So, in today's session, we will solve this question number 3 of exercise 11.2. Question number 3 is stating a student to find out the area of these given parallelograms. Okay, see here one table is given that you can see. Okay, in this table, see, we know that the area of parallelogram is found out by using one formula, that is base into height. Okay, so for calculating the area of any parallelogram, we need two parameters, that is base and height. Or if even area is given and any of the two parameters that I told you is given, then we can calculate any of the missing parameters. Like here, if you will observe this table, students, then in these three parameters, that is area of parallelogram, base and height, in these three, two are given and one is missing. So we have to calculate the missing parameter. Somewhere area is missing. Okay, no, area is given everywhere, no problem. So somewhere base is missing and somewhere height is missing. So we have to calculate the missing parameter, that is either base or height. So let us start our solution. What we will do, students, see here, starting from A. Okay, A solution. Here, what is given data, students? See here, given data. What are given data? Base is given. Base B is given how much, students? 20 centimeter. Okay, so we will write it. Then what is given? Area is given. So area A is given how much? 246 centimeter square. 246 centimeter square. Okay, now we will use here formula, that is by formula area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. ठीक है? Now here see whatever the parameters that are given, first you have to write this much for each and every segment, that is A, B, C, D individually. ठीक है, and then we whatever parameters that are given here in the column, we will place it here in the formula. Okay, now in the first column it is given base and area. So instead of writing this area of parallelogram, what we will do, we will write here this value, this given value, that is 246 and base is given 20. So instead of writing base, we will write 20 and height we have to find, so let it be h only. Okay, now if you will calculate height from here, simple equation, students, then this 20 will come down here at denominator. Okay, so here we will write O, 246 divided by 20 is equal to height, that is h. Okay, now here you have to simplify. अब यहाँ क्या करना है, सिंप्लीफाई करना है टू द लोएस्ट टर्म, टू द लोएस्ट टर्म. ओके, नाउ 2 10 जा 20, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4 and 2 3 जा 6. Now here we are having 1 0 at the denominator. Okay, so we will place the decimal at the numerator after one digit, starting counting from rightmost part. Okay, so after 3 we will place here decimal. Or here you can write or h is equal to 12.3. Since here the given unit is centimeter, so h also will be calculated in centimeter. So the height of the parallelogram whose area is given 246 centimeter and base given 20 centimeter will be 12.3 centimeter. Okay, like this we are calculating the missing parameter of any parallelogram or any triangle or any figure, whatever is there, rectangle, you can say a square, trapezium, whatever figure is there. Okay, one of the parameter will be missing and rest 2 or 3 wherever whatever formula is there will be given. ठीक है, just after this question we will have same question related to triangle. Okay, now moving to next segment, students, segment number B. Now for segment number B, C, D, I am going to solve it directly. These all things, these you have to write it in your own. ओके, यहाँ से यहाँ तक कॉमन है सभी क्वेश्चन के लिए, तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप लिखेंगे. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ से डायरेक्टली सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे देखो बेस यहाँ पे बी सेगमेंट में क्या मिसिंग है, बेस मिसिंग है, उसके बाद हाइट दिया हुआ है और एरिया दिया हुआ है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू पुट इट. ओके, इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग हियर एरिया आई विल राइट डायरेक्टली that value. How much is given? 154.5. So 154.5 will be equal to how much is base? Base is not given. How much is height given? Height is given 15 centimeters. So I will write here 15 centimeter. Okay. Now if you will calculate the base, students, then base will be 154.5 divided by 15 will be equal to base. Okay, now again you have to just simplify it to the simplest form. So how we will simplify? 5 3 is a 15. Okay, and 5 3 is a 15 again, or 5 3 is a 15, then 0, and then here decimal, and then 5 9 is a 45. Okay, again here 3 10 is a 30, and 3 3 is a 9. Okay, so basically here you will get base is equal to how much, students? 10.3, and unit will be again centimeter. So here in simplification I hope that you understood, है ना? And if you are not understanding, then remove this decimal, multiply here at denominator by 10. Okay, just wait for some time, students. Interrupted by power supply. Okay, so I was telling you, students, how to reduce this. Okay, so I hope that you might have understood, and if you not understood, then remove this decimal and multiply here at denominator by 10, and then reduce it, you will get the answer. Okay, so here we got its base is equal to 10.3. Now moving to next segment, segment number C, students. Okay, in segment number C, what is given here? Base is missing, height is given, and area is given. So I am going to write it directly. Okay, I hope that you will write this much of steps, and I am going to put it directly. So area of the parallelogram will be equals to 48.72 will be equal to base is missing into height is 8.4. So if you will calculate base from here, then you will get 48.72 divided by 8.4. Okay, here you have to show your talent only in calculation, students. ये पूरा एरिया एंड पेरीमीटर का जो चैप्टर है, इसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन है और कुछ भी नहीं है. फॉर्मूला दिमाग में रखना है. फॉर्मूला जिसका भी एरिया या पेरीमीटर मांग रहा है उसका फॉर्मूला पुट करना है, एंड देन वॉट एवर गिवन वैल्यूज आर देयर यू हैव टू पुट इट, एंड देन यू हैव टू डू ओनली कैलकुलेशन इन दिस चैप्टर, नथिंग एल्स यू हैव टू डू इट. ओके, सी एवरीवेयर कैलकुलेशन इज देयर ओनली. हियर नाउ वी आर हैविंग डेसिमल 48.72 एंड 8.4. तो यहाँ से एक एक करके डेसिमल को हटाते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ से अगर डिनोमिनेटर से डेसिमल को हटाते हो तो डिनोमिनेटर के बाद एक डेसिमल प्लेस तक यहाँ पे है, तो यहाँ पे 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमरेटर पे. ठीक है, अगर न्यूमरेटर का डेसिमल हटाते हो तो डेसिमल के बाद 2 डिजिट है तो डिनोमिनेटर पे हम 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ठीक है, नाउ दिस 0 एंड दिस 0 विल कैंसल ईच अदर. ओके, नाउ दिस डेसिमल no more exist. Okay, now इसे reduce करो. 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, and 2 3 is 6, and then 2 6 is 12. ठीक है, 2 4 is 8 and 2 2 is 4. Again 2 से divisible है. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. Okay, again here 2 2 is 4 and 2 1 is 2. ठीक है, now here 3 7 is 21, and then 3 4 is 12, then 0, and then 3 6 is 18. Okay, now 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35, remaining 5 and 6 will become 56. Okay, so 7 8 is 56. So at a denominator we are having 58 students, and at numerator we are having here 10. Okay, so our final answer will be, or it will be equal to base equals to how much? This we will place decimal starting from rightmost part after 1 digit, ऐसा. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 10 है, एक 0 है, तो एक डेसिमल, एक डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल को हम प्लेस करेंगे. सो हियर यू विल हैव 5.8 सेंटीमीटर एज योर बेस. ओके, नाउ मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट स्टूडेंट, सेगमेंट नंबर डी. अगेन सेगमेंट नंबर डी में आपको इतना यहाँ से लिखना है. आई एम गोइंग टू पुट द वैल्यू डायरेक्टली हियर इन सेगमेंट नंबर डी. हाइट इज मिसिंग, बेस इज गिवन. सो आई एम गोइंग टू पुट हियर what is area given, how much area given, 16.38. okay, will be equal to base is given 15.6 into height. Okay, so if you will calculate height from here students, then you will get 16.38 divided by 15.6 is equal to height. ठीक है, अगेन उसी तरह से जैसे पिछले क्वेश्चन में किए थे, अगर डिनोमिनेटर से यहाँ से डेसिमल हटाना है तो न्यूमरेटर पे 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि डेसिमल के बाद 1 डिजिट है। ठीक है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 10। नाउ अगर न्यूमरेटर का अगर डेसिमल हटाना है तो डिनोमिनेटर पे 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर के डेसिमल जो है उसके बाद दो डिजिट है, तो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई इट बाई 100। नाउ दिस जीरो एंड दिस जीरो विल कैंसल अगेन ईच अदर स्टूडेंट्स। नाउ दिस डेसिमल नो लॉन्गर एग्जिस्ट, डेसिमल हटा दिया हमने। ठीक है, नाउ यू कैलकुलेट इट्स वैल्यू। ओके, सी ये 2 से कट हो रहा है, सो 2 8 जा, देन 2 1 जा, एंड देन 2 9 जा। Okay, then here also 2 7 ja and 2 8 ja. Okay, and then if you will again multiply it students, then 3 1 ja, then 6 ja, no 3 2 ja 6, remaining 6, yes, it is getting divisible by 3 again. Okay, so 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja 6, remaining 1 and it will become 18, so 3 6 ja 18. How much we will get? 26 at denominator. Now here 3 2 ja 6, remaining 2 and 1 become 21, so 3 7 ja 21 and 3 3 ja 9. Is it again divisible students? Now 3 no, 4 no, 5 no, 6 no, 7 no, 8 no, 9 no, 10 no, so it is not further divisible. Okay, so here if you will it is not further divisible students. Okay, so here remaining 10 and here 26, and at numerator we are having 273. Basically we will have here 273 divided by 260. Okay, is equal to h, and if you will divide these students, then in decimal form you will get 1.05 centimeter as the value of your h. Okay, 1 point, I think it is not visible clearly, so if you will divide it, you will get 1.05 centimeter as your value of h. So like this we are finding out the missing values, whatever is given, whatever is required to find out in the question students. Okay, so this was your question number 3. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.